Hi, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful moving edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type edges. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Now tap on this theme. Name it however you want to and choose OK. Close an ad and customize your edges however you want to. You can, for example, pick pattern, choose round style, change size of them, speed, and even adjust them to your notch. You can also tap on one of these sources, for example photos, click on the photo that you want to set up as your wallpaper, adjust it and tap at the top right corner over here. Then choose create and tap on the theme that you created. Tap on enable wallpaper, choose that wallpaper and decide if you want to see those edges on your home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see my edges on my display, but you can also see them when you use apps. If you go back into the Edges app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Then choose Yes, tap on Edges app over here and click on the switcher. Go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my Edges Overlay Other Apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!